How to fix the TikTok Lite app not working on Android and iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to troubleshoot the TikTok app not working on your Android and iPhone device. So now let's get started. This problem usually happens if you have the TikTok app not updated on your device. So for that, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store if you're using Android and open your App Store if you're using iPhone. Now in the search bar, simply type in TikTok application or the TikTok Lite application. And once you find it, if you see an update button instead of open, which is highlighted in blue color, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. After that, go ahead and hold onto this TikTok Lite application on your device. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. This method is only for Android devices. And then go to storage and tap on clear cache. But if you're using iPhone, you can go to the iPhone storage and go ahead, search for TikTok Lite. Simply upload the application and reinstall it using the App Store. And also make sure that you have given all the permissions to the TikTok Lite application, such as camera, contacts, microphone, music and audio, notifications, and photos and videos as well. After that, you can also try disabling the battery saver or VPN, as this might be affecting the app. And you can also try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Now, check for outages. You can visit Down Detector or any other website to see if the TikTok Lite is down for many users. And you need to wait for it to get resolved by the official TikTok. Now, if all the solutions do not work, you can get help from the TikTok support in the app or help.tiktok.com. And last but not least, you can try uninstalling this application completely from your device. So tap on hold on to it and then tap on uninstall or remove app button and then tap on OK to confirm. And once it is completely uninstalled from your device, go ahead and install it using the Play Store or App Store. After that, restart your entire device at once, and this might definitely help you resolve the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.